Recording? All right. Hello, everybody. Want to walk y'all through the next flip we got. Bear with me while I turn on the lights. We got a home here in Alvin, Texas. We're gonna do a full remodel. Here's like the open area here. Plan on taking all this wall down, either all the way to this edge, or maybe to like half of it, so you can see this nice, beautiful kitchen on the other side. As you can tell, it's a older home. You can tell family lived here. Gentleman got older. Need some updates. Like your dining area, breakfast area. The house is already really open, but we're just gonna update it, refresh it, get rid of some of these popcorn ceilings, get rid of all this wood, laminate, old school style wood, all this right here. In this room, you got the restroom. This right here is a tool room. It's hard to see in there. Got another bedroom in here. Alright, gonna change this closet setup. You got a dual closet in here. You got built-in cabinets. Probably gonna get rid of all this, make it all new. The design of this room's gonna change for sure. But this whole house has good bones. The floor is really good. There's no real foundation issues. That's something you want to look out for when you're looking at buying a flip. Once again, you got more of these built-in cabinets. It's not a bad spot for the cabinets, but I may change the design, the layout of it. You got another bedroom in here. Definitely gonna change the color of it. Pull these floors out, put some new floors in. Got a decent sized closet. This is the master bedroom. This house has wallpaper all throughout. The walls are good, but the wallpaper needs to come out. So you got wallpaper on the edges of the ceiling. You got wallpaper on the wall. All that has to come out. And then you got, this is the master bedroom. And then don't come in here, you got the master restroom. Has a closet inside. This whole layout of this whole restroom, this whole master bedroom, all this is gonna change. We're gonna flip it completely. The old shower, all this is gonna change. It's gonna look brand new. It's gonna look 2022. And that's it. Got the backyard as well. All old school doors, all these doors are gonna go. All these doors are gonna go, all these fixtures. You got a huge backyard. Huge backyard. Extended garage. Two-door garage, two-car garage. Driveway comes all the way to the back. And a carport. Every dude I know loves or wants a carport. As you can see, there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done, but we'll be doing that here soon. That's it. Ta-da!